This is the 2001 Chaparral 233 Sunesta. This boat has a 6.2 liter Mercruiser in it. It does not come with a trailer. It does have full bow and cockpit covers, which are newer. You do have docking lights in the front, as well as a ladder coming in on the front as well. Bow spray down. It is yellow in color. You have a bimini top as well. Large extended deck. Walking into the boat, you do have a starboard walkthrough. Upholstery is in pretty good shape for the year. You do have center floor storage and storage underneath all the seats. Walk-through windshield, nice big windshield on it. You do have your wind dam. You do have storage underneath the helm here. You do have your head. And you do have a shower, a sink as well, and a little garbage can. Full wraparound seating in the back. This is your 6.2 liter MPI engine. This does have 823 hours on it. You do have a battery switch. This is also a one owner boat as well. Captain's chair does have a flip-up bolster and seating for two. This does have a 14-person capacity. Standard gauges. Volts, fuel, trim, miles per hour, RPMs, oil pressure, temperature, and a depth finder. It does have a stereo, but it's inoperable. It does come with a Garmin as well. This is the 2001 Chaparral 233 Sunesta, the 6.2 liter Mercruiser.